Hey y'all, so we're here again with another Barbie unboxing. We have the Barbie Extra doll today. So let's just go ahead and we're going to be redressing this vintage Barbie over here. And so, yeah, here we go. Let's get right into it. So, yeah, we got the Barbie Extra. Barbie Extra. So right here we've got these cool graphics. And it looks like she comes with all these accessories and a little friend here. So it says there's 15 styling pieces we could reuse and style our Barbie. So yeah, let's check her out. So yeah, y'all, we've got our Barbie Extra doll and our vintage Barbie here. We're gonna be redressing. And this is a Barbie Extra number 14. And you guys have probably seen her already, but I really want to try on this plus size Barbie dress on our vintage Barbie. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see, I love this little sticker it came with, holographic, and those sunglasses. Let's go check out her purse and all those necklaces. Yes, I love her earrings, so they say Barbie on them. And her outfit, very Moschino, huh? Moschino Barbie, here we come. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this baby up. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see, I'm not really sure how we can do this. Okay. So I already ruined the art in the back. We're not gonna keep the box or anything. So just go ahead and rip her out. Don't want to mess up her hair. But, I'm not really caring about this box. There we go. There she is. So yeah, she's out of the box now. I'm gonna try to take her out without ruining her hair. Let's see. What are we gonna do here? Looks like she has these little things right here. You gotta undo. Anyway, so here we go. So yeah, we got a couple more of these little pieces. I'm not really into her flat feet, honestly, but so yeah. Oh, she comes with these really cool braids. And let's see, let's try to get her sunglasses out. So yeah, there we go. She's already her best friend. And we've got our other little friend here. Beep, beep. With our Barbie Extra car. And let's see if those fit. Yes, Barbie Extra. And we got this little purse for her. Cute, it actually opens. Nice, you can put some mini fashion things in there, maybe lipstick. Nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and dress these two. So yeah, we've got our Barbie Extra number 14 here, and we're gonna try to get these earrings out and try to redress our vintage Barbie in this same outfit. Okay, awesome, here we go. Hey y'all, so I thought I should show you all the Barbie Extra pieces that you get with the Barbie Extra 14. And these have Velcro in the back, really cute. And this one is a little bit lined. It's not lined throughout the arms, but it's pretty nice. Nice quality, kind of this 80s style jumper. We've got our Barbie ring here. And I got these earrings out, but I kind of broke one of them. I have to cut this piece off anyway to stick them in the old Barbie, but just be careful when you take those out. Maybe heat it up a bit. And then we've got our 2 bracelets, and we've got 3 necklaces, some shoes, a little purse. Looks like a fashionista box. Oh, and it has a little bit of glitter inside the clear. You guys see that? And our new little friend, the dogs. Yeah, look who's here. Cute. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on this vintage Barbie. Here we go.